Just wanted to see what it was like with a little bit of bog on it. Rounding it off. Pretty close to finishing the insulation in it. One more gap up there, a couple of gaps at the back. But yeah, no, I get in there. Yep, just a couple more bits of insulation in that corner. Got to get another piece, but yeah, had to show you the end result of it. Insulation's nearly done. I'm gonna have to put some really light plywood on the inside for paneling or something, but yeah. Other than that, we're getting there. Right. Can't see bugger all. There's still a few lumps here and there, but by the time I bog it all up and sand it back, all the lumps and bumps will disappear, hopefully. Rightio. See you.